Hey guys, this is your trusted weather forecast for a spring flooding outlook and spring 2020 flooding outlook. This is based off of current snow depth, future potential snow depth, and total snowfall accumulations of the 2019 to 2020 winter season. Things could be off by a couple miles, and an unexpected snowstorm in the south could bring it up. So this is what we have so far. In these gray areas, in the Gulf and along the west coast of California, is none to low threat for spring flooding related to snow. I'll comment that. Spring flooding related to snow. In the green area, spreading through much of the United States, including Texas and Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, Virginia. That whole green area, you have low chance for spring-related flooding. That doesn't mean you're not going to get any. It just means you have a low chance of it. In the yellow regions, where you have a sporadic one in Texas, and which is actually much of the United States is in yellow or a darker color, including New York City is in moderate. Yellow is moderate chance for spring flooding. And orange in California, the Northwest, parts of the Northeast, and much of the plains and Midwest. The plains and the Midwest are the key points in this. Orange is high threat for spring flooding. Now we have red, which is in the Midwest, Iowa, parts of Wisconsin, southern Minnesota, southeast, South Dakota, northeast Nebraska, and a small chunk of northern Missouri, and also parts of the upper peninsula of Michigan, where you have an extreme threat for spring flooding. Now, extreme does not mean that, let me rephrase that. Extreme doesn't mean lots of spring flooding. Extreme means almost guaranteed chance for spring flooding. These don't mean how much spring flooding you're going to get, but how much chance there is for spring flooding. But in these red regions, particularly red and orange regions, I should say, particularly in the Midwest, is where you'll probably have more spring flooding and maybe disasters. We may have a repeat of last year's disasters, so just keep an eye out, just watch out. That's your trusted weather forecast for the spring 2020 flooding outlook. See you in the next video, and make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment if you want. Goodbye.
Back to the